Imagine your mind as a landscape of shifting, high-dimensional terrain. When you are hit with a sudden, overwhelming crisis, your internal state collapses into a singular point of high-entropy chaos. In this state, the amygdala, the brain's alarm system, demands total control, creating a trapped geometry where you cannot see beyond the immediate, jagged edges of your own distress. You are not observing your life. You are being consumed by its friction. This is where the object of the manifold intervenes. By initiating the act of writing, you are not merely recording thoughts. You are performing a topological translation. You are forcing this high-density, chaotic singularity through the filter of language, a structured, two-dimensional plane. This is the moment of externalization. Suddenly, the pain cloud is no longer a part of your neural fabric. It is an object residing on the page. As you continue the practice, the manifold begins to reveal its true nature. Resilience is not a linear escape from this pain, but a closed-loop traversal. You move from the chaos of the red zone, the high-friction struggle of the novice, into the teal zone, where the path begins to smooth. This is the geodesic optimization. With every journal entry, every drafted letter, and every moment of reflective editing, you are literally carving a path of least resistance through your own neural architecture. The caudate nucleus, the brain's master of automation, begins to take over, turning what was once a desperate, agonizing climb into an automatic low-energy act of regulation. In this narrative, the resilience manifold is the bridge between the biological self, reactive, overwhelmed, and impulsive, and the engineered self, proactive, observational, and clear. You are not just writing to feel better. You are engaging in low-entropy data processing. You are refining the geometry of your own mind, ensuring that the next time the world introduces chaos, you have already mapped the shortest path back to clarity.